Welcome back. Right now we are talking about Chapter 8, Managed Services. So managed services are offered as an ancillary service to the main function of a big business, usually operated by a third party. So an example of this is the food service at a college campus. I know Moorpark doesn't have any right now, so that's a terrible example. I'm sorry to tease you with this. The main business function of a college is to educate students, but students need to eat, so the college hires a service company to operate their dining operation. Another example of this is the airline industry. Their main business function is to transport passengers, so they outsource their dining services to another company. These services can provide a very steady stream of income, making them quite profitable. In a typical restaurant, you never know how many customers you will have on a given day or what items will be popular. At a college dining hall, for example, students pay for their meals up front, and menus can be set ahead of time to save on food costs. Airlines usually offer 2 meals to their passengers. Once the first option is gone, the remaining customers are stuck with the other option. This prevents waste as they only prepare as many meals as they have customers to serve. Some other examples of managed service users would be hospitals, schools, airports, stadium or concert venues. As with restaurants, nutrition has become a higher priority in managed dining services, particularly in education. Many grade schools receive government funding to subsidize their dining programs, offering meals to children at little or no cost. Because they receive government funding, they must comply with the government's guidelines of what constitutes a healthy meal. In the text below this video, you'll see a link to an entertaining article that details the evolution of the school lunch, including a time when ketchup was considered a vegetable. We continue to learn about how our bodies use food and how food affects our long-term health. This presents hospitals with a unique challenge. They need to serve meals to hundreds of patients with countless different dietary restrictions. Depending on a patient's condition, they may be restricted from solid foods, sugar, salt, protein, you name it. Take into account allergies, religious practices, and personal taste, and they have their hands full. The more exciting side of managed services comes to us at recreation and entertainment venues. Think of all the fun and exciting, delicious foods available at Dodger Stadium or Staples Center. Although the location and the food itself may be more exciting to consumers, the service and management behind it all are ultimately the same. As with hotels and restaurants, managed service companies offer employment in every aspect of their operation, from chefs and servers on the front end to accountants and human resources staff members on the back end. There are career paths in managed services for everyone.